Are you a Power BI developer? Want to handle massive datasets with ease? Then you need to know about Microsoft Synapse Analytics. In this video, we'll cover Number 1. What is Synapse? Number 2. Why should Power BI developers learn it? Number 3. How can you integrate Synapse with Power BI? Let's get started. Number 1. What is Microsoft Synapse? Microsoft Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based analytics service that combines big data processing and data warehousing into a single, powerful platform. It lets you ingest, transform, analyze, and visualize data seamlessly. Key components. 1. Synapse SQL, structured data querying. 2. Spark pools, big data processing. 3. Pipelines, data integration, ETL/ELT. 4. Synapse Studio, a unified workspace for analytics. Number 2. Why should Power BI developers learn Synapse? As a Power BI developer, using Synapse gives you massive advantages. 1. Seamless Power BI integration. Synapse connects directly with Power BI for smooth data retrieval. 2. Handles large datasets efficiently, working with millions or even billions of records. Synapse optimizes performance. 3. Faster query performance. With distributed computing, data queries run lightning fast. 4. Supports structured and unstructured data. Unlike traditional SQL databases, Synapse handles formats like JSON, Parquet, and CSV. 5. Security and governance. With row-level security, RLS, and access controls, your data remains protected. Number 3. How to use Synapse in Power BI. Now, let's talk about how to integrate Synapse into Power BI workflows. 1. Connect Power BI to Synapse SQL pools. Optimize queries for large datasets. 2. Use direct query mode. Fetch real-time data without importing large datasets into Power BI. 3. Leverage materialized views. Improve report performance with pre-computed aggregations. 4. Automate data ingestion. Use Synapse pipelines to automate data flow into Power BI reports. And that's how Microsoft Synapse can supercharge your Power BI reports. Have you used Synapse with Power BI? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.